Well, hello. I'm going to try to attempt to pick one of these tailors that I just got in for Stock Lock Sunday. Blink. This is the bidding on the key, however you want to say it, and it works smooth. So let's see if we can get into this thing. I'm hoping I can. Let's just find out. Okay. Ooh. And we're open. Wow, that was great. Can't believe it. Man, oh man. I actually got it done. Okay, we got the key. Let's lock it up. Get out a pinning tray. Get the dog hair off of it. Oh man. Ooh. That screw is loose. Kind of like me. Got a few screws loose. Oh. I don't like the flat heads. I really don't. They're such a pain in the butt. Let's see if I can get that with my fingers. Now I got the dang shakes. Don't know why I get them. All of a sudden they just hit me. My arm position or something. Had one guy say if you stick a finger on the ground it stops them. It doesn't stop mine. Okay. Oh. Let's see. Turn it that way. Since this is a stock lock, it shouldn't be any problem. What are you doing? Get in there. Thank you. 5-pinner. Wow. Let me push down on these. Okay. Oh yeah, they do go down in there. They look like they're going to be hard to get out though. That was number 2. Yep. I wonder if I picked this so fast because they stuck. I'll have to try it again another time. Let's go 5. 4. No, 4 ain't gonna cooperate either. 3. And 4 is left. There it went. Okay. It's been a while since I gutted a lock, guys, so bear with me. There's nothing special done there. And since these are all standard, I'm not gonna do that. Take the time to do that singles thing. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 just went on the floor. Got it. plus dog hair. Alright, the springs are probably hung up in there. We ain't worried about them. Now we got springs here. Ooh, they're hard to see though, for me. Get up there. You. There. You there. Oh, quit. Okay. And they all look just standard as standard can be. There's the pins. This is standard as you can get. So yeah, this one's on its way to a challenge lock. So thanks for watching, everybody. Stay legal and